All right, this is the back page of your 1-1 through 1-3 quiz. I'm going to help you get number 13, 14, and 15 set up so that you can solve them. So number 13 tells me that M is the midpoint of x, y, okay? And the coordinates for M, that's our answer. The midpoint is going to equal -3, -1. And the y over here, so our x2, y2, that's what that's going to be. So I'm going to come up here and use this formula that we've worked with earlier to find our midpoint. So that formula begins with an x1. Well, x1 is x1. It doesn't have a number, so I'm just going to write x. And then the formula says plus x2. Well, I got one of those. That's a -8. Then the formula says divided by 2. And I know what my x equals in the middle because they told me the x is a -3. So then I'm just going to solve this equation, and it'll tell me what to put in for x. I'll multiply by 2, x plus, I don't like to write plus negative, I just like to write minus. 8 equals -6. We add 8, x equals 2. So put a 2 right here. Now, I need you to use all the y information in this part of the equation to get this answer. All right, let's look at 14 and 15. I need you to think about these marks right here. When there are marks like that on a line, we talked about it tells me those are the same or congruent. So if I had a line and it was 4 inches long and I put a spot in the middle, I know this side would be 2 and this side would be 2 because they're the same. I put a spot in the middle. They equal each other. So that's what I get when I have this 8x minus 51. I know that it is equal to 3x minus 6, if I can make an x. 3x minus 6. I know they're equal. Now you just solve that. Move your x's that way, move your numbers that way. So after you solve it, you'll come up with an answer for x. You'll say x equals whatever. Okay? Well, it wants to know how much this whole thing is for number 15. So I have to do my part. So 8x minus 51 plus my other part, 3x minus 6. So to figure this QS out, I'm going to have to know what x is, and then I'm going to replace it with a parenthesis with whatever that number is I got for x. Okay? And I'll do the same on this side for that x. Sorry, my computer's messing up. Okay. And then you just, it'll be whatever the x is, it'll be a number. And then you just type that straight up in your calculator and you get QS. Good luck. Turn your quiz in when you get back. I hope you feel better.